This is our center gluing machine workshop, or is center gluing machine, center sewing machine. And this one is for the needle gluing machine, the quotation we send to you. It uses a Northern gluing system made in USA. And this one we imported from Germany, Festo. Vacuum pump. The machine is motorless type, so you can adjust the width by the scale wheel. And here is motorless, so no node inside. It will protect the printing film. The machine has 5 servo motors. Unwinding tension controlled by the servo motor. And the traction roller, servo motor. This is traction roller, also servo motor. Rewinding tension controlled by the servo motor. And the acceleration also by servo motor. Stroboscope. Easy tearing line. We have 2 sets, which controlled by air, and this one for air extruder device. Also, we have 2 sets, each for making small holes on the film. Five servo driver, Mitsubishi, POC, and the breakers all from Schneider. We buy the Schneider breaker directly from Schneider company.